morning, everybody. I hope you all are doing well. Okay, and yes. So, our today's objective is we will be able to compare and contrast. Okay, so we all know what is compare and contrast. We try to find out similarities and differences. Okay, compare मतलब क्या सेम है वो देखना एंड कंट्रास्ट मीन्स क्या डिफरेंट है वो देखना ओके नाउ if you want more information on this, I recommend you that please go to your RC strategies passage and take a look at it, that what happens in compare and contrast and how do we do it. Okay, all that information is there. But I hope that most of you all know compare means to find out the similarities, contrast means to find out the differences. Okay, now we will read the passage, okay, and Didi will explain you what is happening, and then we will move to the question bit. Okay, now the title of the passage is Birds and Turtles. Okay, we all know what birds are, we all know what turtles are. Okay, you can also have a look at this picture. They are showing you birds and turtles. Okay, mother birds lay eggs in nests where they are safe. Okay, where do mother birds lay eggs? Yes, they lay eggs in their nest. Little birds hatch from the eggs. Little birds hatch. Now, hatch is a new word. I feel I think I don't know what does hatch mean. So I will try to read आगे पीछे. Little birds hatch from the eggs. Okay, so little birds कहाँ से आते हैं? एग से आते हैं. तो हैच होना मतलब जो अंडा टूट के आता है, दैट इज हैचिंग. दे चीप एंड चीप until their parents bring them food. Okay, what do they do until their parents bring them food? They cheep and cheep. They make sounds, they make voices. You also might have seen the small birds. How do they do chirp chirp when they roam around your house, or you might have seen them in a nest? So they do that. Turtles lay eggs too. What does turtle also do? They also lay eggs. Mother turtles lay their eggs in the sand, while where the eggs will be safe. Okay, so where does mother turtle lay their eggs? They lay their eggs in the sand where the eggs will be safe. I hope everybody knows what is a sand. But mother turtles cover the eggs and leave. Okay, what do? They cover the eggs and they leave. When it is time, small turtles hatch from the eggs. Okay, when it is time, जब वक्त आता है, small turtles hatch from the eggs. They dig their way up and learn to find food on their own. Okay, we did this. Dig करना मतलब, when we were doing our grammar part, dig करना मतलब they dig their way up. You can see here also. Okay, नीचे जमीन से ऊपर आ रहे हैं. So what do you think dig means? Yes, think and you will get it right. They dig their way up and learn to find food on their own. Okay, that was your passage. Now we know what are we doing with the passage. We will copy the passage in our notebook with all the full stops, punctuation and capital letters in place in a very neat handwriting. Okay, and then when we are done copying the passage, we will read the passage and understand the passage fully. We will also see कि मुझे सारे words का meaning पता है क्या. Okay, and whichever words are new, I will write those words and their meanings in my notebook. Okay, so that I remember and I don't forget them. Now after you read, while you're reading, you will record your voice and send me a voice note of your reading on my WhatsApp. Now we will move to the question bit. Okay, there are 3 questions. We are not writing, we are tick marking, but I know this is less, but you have to make sure that you are tick marking the very right answer and not a wrong one. Okay, so for that you have to understand the question as well as the passage very well. Question 1. How are birds and turtles alike? How are birds and turtles alike? As I told, compare and contrast कर रहे हैं. Compare means similarities देखेंगे. Contrast means difference देखेंगे. How are they alike? Option A, they have hard shells. Option B, the young hatch from eggs. Option C, the mother leave the eggs. Okay. Question 2. How are birds and turtles different? ना यहाँ पे सेम देखा था, यहाँ पे डिफरेंट देखेंगे. ऑप्शन ए, बर्ड पेरेंट्स फीड देयर यंग. ऑप्शन बी, दे ले एग्स इन सेफ प्लेसेस. ऑप्शन सी, द यंग नीड फूड टू ईट. Okay, now we'll move to question 3. In this paragraph, the word hatch means. Okay, now what kind of question is this? C से start होता है. Very good. Context clues. Okay, now you have to read the passage. Now hatch कहाँ पे आ रहा है? यहाँ पे. Okay, so I will read it and I will आगे पीछे read करके I'll try to understand hatch का मतलब क्या है. Option A, opening on a roof. Option B, make a plan. Option C, come out of. Okay, that was your question. That were your questions. Okay, we are done now. Now you know what is the next step for you. Step 1, you will copy the passage in your notebook in a very neat handwriting with all the capitals, full stop and punctuation in place. Step 2, you will read the passage and understand it very well and also send me a voice recording on my WhatsApp. Step 3, you will move to the question and answer the questions, okay, very carefully. Make sure you get every right. Then step 4, you will, after you're done with everything, and you will send me, click a picture of your assignment and send me that on my WhatsApp. Okay, then make sure you do it early because Didi will then check and submit it back to you, so then you can see what are the mistakes and what you need to improve. Okay, that's it. Have a very nice day, and I hope you learned something new today and different today, and have a really nice day. Thank you.